Hey everyone, I hope you've been enjoying my videos. It would be an incredible favour if you could pass this on to your teachers, because I want to tell them about an amazing teaching conference that I'm presenting a workshop at. So if they come along, they can say hi to me. So, teachers, I want to talk to you about the ATP Conference. I've attended this for years and always had an awesome time. And honestly, for 2 full days of workshops, accommodation, a gala dinner and entertainment, it's incredibly good value. Being cheaper than many one-day events. Let me talk you through it. This year it's Friday the 11th to Saturday the 12th of July at the University of Warwick. I actually always turn up the night before on Thursday for the fringe event, which is a quiz and a fun speaker, which I definitely recommend. But be warned, if you come to the fringe, my quiz team has been undefeated for the last 3 years. So, the event itself. You can come for 1 or 2 days, and you can attend a selection of over 40 workshops, so you can design the training course that's best for you. I'll tell you a little bit more about some of the workshops in a sec. There's also an exhibition hall you can go to between sessions. In the exhibition hall, you can talk to representatives of the major book publishers and the exam boards. And this year, I'll be on a stand making a secret project, which I may ask you to get involved in. And honestly, one of the best things about the ATP conference is the networking. In the about 7 years that I've been going, I've got advice from literally hundreds of amazing psychology teachers. This has been in the breakouts, at the Friday night evening meal, and even hanging out with the book authors talking about research methods in the early hours of the morning. So who's going to be there this year? Well, the ATP always has psychologists at the top of their fields delivering talks, and this year's no different. There's Professor Kimberley Wade, a leading expert in the science of memory. Kimberley Wade's research reveals how false memories form and why they matter in real-world settings, from courtrooms to classrooms. Also Professor Sir Simon Baron-Cohen. World-renowned for his work on autism and theory of mind, Sir Simon Baron-Cohen explores the cognitive and neurological roots of human empathy and neurodiversity. And another keynote talk is by Professor Mark Forshaw. An expert in health psychology and professional training, Mark Forshaw has shaped national guidance on psychology careers and mental well-being across the UK. There are some amazing people running workshops, including Cara Flanagan, the lead author of most of the major A-level psychology textbooks over the last few decades. She'll be talking about exam success. Guy Sutton, a legend of the ATP. I'm honestly not sure I've ever seen a more engaging speaker. His enthusiasm for neuroscience is infectious. And as an expert on the cutting edge, you'll go away very informed about the latest developments. ATP's technical guru Matt Jarvis will be giving an update on AI, the benefits and coming challenges. I'll be running a session on quiz questioning, focusing on quiz games that are fun, fast, and avoid passengers. BPS Psychology Teacher of the Year and close personal friend Harriet Ennis will be running the entertainment, doing yoga, and I'm sure delivering some awesome and very unusual CPD. And Mike Hobbiss will be running a session on essay writing and launching his new book. I attended one of Mike's sessions last year and was blown away with his teaching strategies, and I've certainly integrated them into what I do in my own classroom. So here's a link to the event as a QR code, and I'll also put a link in my comments. These are the prices, and for everything you get, I think it's incredible value. Even the full package is cheaper than many one-day events. So that's everything. Hopefully see you at the conference.